How to check if an iPhone display is original. To get started, open the Settings app from the home screen. In Settings, scroll down and tap on General. On the General screen, tap on About to view your device information. On the About page, scroll to find the Parts and Service History section. If no Parts and Service History section appears on this page, there is no recorded service for supported components. Locate Display in this section and check the status shown beside it. If it says Genuine Apple Part, the display is original and correctly paired to the phone. If it shows Unknown Part or a replacement notice, the display may be non-original or not recognized by the device. This section helps confirm whether the screen has been serviced or replaced on the device. Review the information carefully to verify the display status without needing any additional tools. Use the details on this page to confidently determine the authenticity of the screen. Following these steps, you can easily check if an iPhone display is original.